Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Again, this morning, I just want to share with you one case called the Iveneer. I received the box from the Iveneer company, and I want to test out the Iveneer product. And I just want to do a case report. This is not my best case, but I want to share with you guys, those who like to do Iveneer and want to know more about the product. And so let's just go ahead and start now. This is the Iveneer episode, guys. Check out my presentation. Want to go back here and start from the beginning. My name is Dr. Lockwin. Iveneer, first case of my in my office, and I want to give you feedback, what I learned and what you can do in your office as well. So start right now. This is the case where I took the intraoral. You can see there is space between 8 and 9, space between number 7 and 6, and on space from 7 and 8. Same thing for 9 and 10. Or there is space. You can see lower art look pretty decent, minor crowding, little wear and tear on the incisor. And so you can see that occlusally he does have the suspected GERD acid reflux, so it remove a lot of enamel wear and tear here, but there could be the reason, maybe also other reason that I'm not aware of. But you can see the art of the patient. The patient have an implant I placed there as well for him after he lost that tooth while eating something and break the tooth. Very rare that, you know, he got no cavity and all of a sudden break one of the tooth and we place the implant there. Anyway, that's just out of my topic today. So here again, this is before Iveneer on your left side, and this is on the right side. You can see that there is the restoration of the Iveneer, and this extend quite a bit, maybe at least I would say more than 3 millimeter incisally, which I regret that I supposed to do a little bit shorter. I didn't have time. First case, so that's why everything go crazy. You don't know how to make the case easy, and because there's a lot of technique step that I did not follow the instruction. This is why I struggle. Normally they said 4 teeth from number 7, 8, 9, 10. If you restore with Iveneer, you can get done within 30 minutes to 40 minutes. But for my experience, it takes about an hour and 15 minutes, because again, when you don't follow the instruction, you will mess up your case. So this is before, this is after. On the right side, this is before and this is after. You can see the gap being closed on, and then on the right side, like that. And occlusally, you can see that very thin veneer on the facial aspect. There is no lingual composite material around. And I use the injectable GC composite, guy. So here the next picture, this is before his smile with gap and short teeth. This is intraoral photo, and then you can see that the below is the after. And so if you look carefully in detail, it wasn't finished perfectly. I checked everything, but I was really in the rush because trying to do something like this at the first time, it takes quite some time, more than I expected. That's because, number one, again, I did not follow the rule that first thing I want to give you a tip. If you want to increase the length of the incisor of the patient, you need to know exactly how much incisor you want to increase. Let's say you want to increase in 1 millimeter, then when you put the composite on the lingual aspect for the extension of the incisor, you need to trim it back to 1 millimeter. If you want that way, or you want 2 millimeter, you increase in 2 millimeter. But don't just put a long one here and then later on you have to work so hard to trim it back. So again, when you put on the step number one, when you put the inside, when you create the incisal length in the lingo side, you need to know exactly how much how much the length you need in order before, and then you trim it back. Don't let it too long. My problem was I left it too long. I didn't have any conception like how long it's supposed to be, and then I put it really long, and I had to work hard to trim it back. That's the one of the biggest reason why it takes me so long to reduce that, and take so much effort to try to make this symmetry. Again, this is the after different lighting give you a different look, and overall you can see that we use A2 colors seem to be pretty matching. And so here is the before on the top, and the bottom is after. Iveneer is supposed to be simple and easy for any practitioner out there, but you just need to follow the instruction of the Dr. Michael Love that I tell Michael Love that he presented to on his presentation in the Iveneer.com. Check it out, and I hope that you will do better than me. Or maybe next time when I see another case, I'll definitely do better. This is simple. It's not supposed to be working really hard. Check out my YouTube video on other actual procedure, how I go about to get this case done. You can actually see it. So again, thank you for this episode, quick morning. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you again for more video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and have a great Thursday, guys. Take care, everyone. I'd like you to subscribe my channel, hit some comment, and follow my next video. Thank you again.